To say bless you when someone sneezes, you say будьте здоровы. Будьте ends with те. This is how you can tell it's formal. Or you can also say it to several people when they're sneezing at the same time, I guess. So to make it informal, you would remove те and you get будь. And it also depends on who you are saying it to, a woman or a man. If it's a man, you would say будь здоров. And if it's a woman, you would say будь здорова. And did you also notice that the second word in this phrase kind of reminds of the word здравствуйте? It's because здоров, здорова, здоровый means healthy in Russian, and the whole phrase means a wish, be healthy.